Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile data is slow on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick setting panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so insert SIM. So remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning again insert SIM tray and you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After click on swipe up and enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is slow on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.